My name is Martinas Tautkus. I'm a master's degree student at the Denmark's Technical University, and I was doing a project for a company called Fluidan. I was doing a filter for them, a filter design. They're working with rheological properties of fluid measurements, and they measure fluids for very different customers, and they have very varying process conditions, and they need to meet all of them. First evaluated the project to find what they needed exactly, then did a research on the filtration systems, what already exists and what is being used. We had some meetings with other companies and saw what they use also. It was very insightful. And after all this, I had to start designing it. The coolest thing for me was interacting with other companies, because we had meetings at companies like Foss, at their headquarters, talking with very experienced engineers that had years and years of experience in basically the same field, and to see what they did and what worked, what didn't work. They were very open about it, and that was the most fun thing for me. It was also very fun to just do all the research myself and solving problems on my own and with the help of others. And they were very supporting, very friendly people. I can call them anytime, send an email, they will answer it. So regarding the communication, there were no problems basically. But of course, I got a lot of knowledge about the subject of filtration and fluids and how the companies work. I got some experience from working in the company, how to communicate with other people from different sections, by the way, where they work, is it designing or testing or marketing, how to work everything with them. And I also learned how to plan my time. When it comes for the tips for the future students, mechanical engineering is a very wide study, and in general what I would say is to plan everything very well, especially if you're studying and working. Most likely plan everything. Don't take too much work than you can finish, because that was the hardest thing for me, was studying, which was almost like a full-time job in that university, and then along that trying to do this project, which is also like 2 days work during the week time, and then working alongside that. It was very intensive, and for the students, I would advise just to plan everything so that you would have some free time and time to relax and not be stressed all the time, because